As you may have seen in our previous video, Audi have discontinued Python Yellow on the Audi A1, and now unfortunately Audi are about to discontinue Mison Red too. But what colours are still available on the Audi A1? Well, let me show you. In the white category, you can choose from two options. The first is solid shell white, which is a really nice flat colour, and the second is a metallic option. All the metallic options range from £575, and this one in particular is called Glacier White, with a lovely fleck in the paintwork. In the silver category, you've got one colour to choose from, and that's Dew Silver, giving a sophisticated look with a gorgeous metallic fleck. And in the black category, there's only one colour to choose from too, and that's Mythos Black, which has a metallic finish and it really suits the Audi A1. In the blue category, you've got another metallic finish called Navara Blue, which looks absolutely stunning. And lastly, in the grey category, you've got three colours to choose from. Two I have here. One is called Kronos Grey and the other is called Manhattan Grey. Two slightly different shades, both of them a metallic fleck. The other colour option is called Arrow Grey, which has a pearl effect, starting from £575. I hope that gives you a brief overview on what colours are still available and newly available, like the Arrow Grey on the Audi A1. Let me know what colour you choose in the comments down below, and I'll also leave a link in our description so that you can check out our current stock. Thank you for watching.